everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute. Today I'm going to give you some really good and useful warm-up tips and exercises. So, let's do this! Most people underestimate the importance of a warm-up. I'm quite shocked when new students come to us and they say, like 8 out of 10 people say that they don't do warm-ups. They just, use a song in order to warm up their vocal cords, which is great, but a song is not going to warm up your vocal cords and a song is not going to improve your vocal technique. So this is not allowed if you want to keep the health of your vocal cords and if you want to improve your vocal technique. You have to think of singing just like any other gym exercise. These are muscles that you need to, grow, stretch, train, and strengthen. Every muscle in your body needs to be warmed up before use. You need at least a 20-25 minutes warm-up routine every day before you start to work on any song, distortion, or screaming. Yes, these are only exercises to warm up your vocal cords, stretch your vocal cords, and improve your vocal technique. But what exercises do we need, right? Well, it depends, because if you are a classical singer, you need different exercises than a rock singer. If you want to warm up your fry, you need different exercises than what you need for false chord. Well, let's just start with the most useful ones, the most general ones that works for everything. I'm going to show you some of the exercises that I use daily. I actually do my warm-ups every day before I start to teach. The 4 exercises that I always do, no matter what, is the lip roll, tongue trill, open throat exercise, and a twang. These are the exercises that really stretches, opens up, and warm up my range as well. So lip roll, tongue trill. The lip roll, actually, the tongue trill, why I'm using them? Because it really warms up my range from the lowest till the highest. There is no consonant, there is no warm up in, there is no consonant, there is no vowel in there. Just the sound itself, the vibration. So it warms up at least 4 of my octaves. Same thing with the tongue trill, basically. And it also warms up the tongue. Open throat. Yeah, the open throat I'm using that because it helps me with the sound, with the position, and it helps me to, open up my throat. The twang. God, I don't even know where to start. The twang is the most useful exercise, basically. It has a lot of purpose. The twang helps to stretch my chest voice, so it works for belting. It helps with the position. It helps with the distortion. So it's a very, very useful exercise, like the twang. This is the sound, I'm using. After that, it depends, what I'm going to do mainly on the day. Like if I have more students for fry scream, then obviously I warm up my fry scream. If there is more for false chord, I do exercises that are really useful for false chord and distortion, basically. So for example, if I want to warm up my fry, I always start with like a little siren exercise with my falsetto, like or any other, falsetto exercise to actually just warm up the falsetto. Why the falsetto? Because the falsetto, works together with the fry in the same register. So that's why I start with that. Then I do switching exercise, like from clean to fry. I start with falsetto, then fry. Then I start continue with mixed voice and fry. Then chest voice and fry. Then belting, then fry. So basically, like I'm slowly, step by step, increasing my power for the fry. That's what I do. For distortion and false chord, I'm not gonna go into too deep, but I'm using more twang or nana, more nasal sound of exercise that helps actually to activate or engaging my false chord. But no matter what exercises you do, if you don't know how to do them correctly, all the exercises are worthless. And that's why we always say, if you take your singing serious and you care about the health of your vocal cords, then the best you can do is going to a teacher. And that's the way to get the quickest result. Because many of us are quite impatient. So going to a teacher is going to give you the quickest result. At RMS, we're tailoring the lessons and the exercises to every single student apart from the general exercises. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope that I could help you today as well. If you have any questions, just post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com and sign up for lessons or consultation. So thank you very much. Keep rocking.